This is the TEKTON 135-piece bit set. They call it the Everybit set, and it's a number 2841. I find these to be real handy to have around the house. I actually bought 2 sets of them. Now, a couple of these items you can actually purchase separately if you don't get the kit, but included in this kit would be their security set, which you see back here. That you can buy separately as their security kit. Then they also have the precision kit, which is right here. That can be purchased separately. So now this is the security kit. Now if you purchase it separately, it comes with this red plastic type base that covers it. But in this multi-kit here that you get, it just comes with the base unit. As you comes in a case, you don't really need it. This will just keep all the bits separated. And this is the included precision kit. Out of that precision kit, I'm going to take this with the little driver that comes with it. I'm going to take the 3/0 Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to take out this very small screw that's in this old phone. Try to grip it here. It's really small. And it took that out easily. See if I can get it to focus better. Yeah, did a beautiful job of taking that out. You see how small that screw is. In this kit, you also get a 1/4-inch hex driver. And the rear cap comes off. You want to put any storage of bits in there. We'll put one of them in here. And it is a ratchet, so you can either have it rigid